In this video, we will take a look at how we can use RankMath SEO plugin to get our website crawled and indexed in Google search results instantly. So with this, Google will be able to index our website instantly and we will get a high chance to rank better as compared to our competitors. So let's dive in and I'll show you everything step by step. Let's begin. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about WordPress, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Alright, so in this video, we will be creating a Google Search Console API and then we will configure that with RankMath SEO plugin on our WordPress website so that Google can instantly crawl and index our website and we get a high chance to rank better than our competitors. So let's dive in our WordPress dashboard and I'll show you everything step by step. So now we are in our WordPress dashboard and we have already covered how to install and configure RankMath in our previous video. And if you want to see that video and if you want to learn how you can configure RankMath on your WordPress website, then you can watch this video here in the I button above. And I will leave the link of complete playlist in the description as well. Now to get the instant indexing option, we need to download that add-on separately from the RankMath website. So I will leave a link below in the description where you can download this extra add-on for instant indexing. So we go to this guide and here we have an option for download Google Indexing API plugin. So we will click on that. So we will get a zip file for that. And as you can see, the zip file is downloaded. And now let's go back to plugins. We will click on add new and here we will click on upload plugins and we will select our zip file. And here we have added the zip file that we have just downloaded. We click on install now and after that we will activate the plugin. Alright, so now we have the instant indexing plugin added in our WordPress dashboard. And if we go in the RankMath section, you will see a new option that is instant indexing. So now we have the instant indexing add-on added in RankMath SEO plugin. And to make it work, we need Google Console API so that we can add it here and then it will start indexing our website instantly. So for that, we go back to this guide here and here we will get a link for Google API Console. So we open that in a new tab. So now we are in Google Cloud Platform. So here we need to create a project and we agree to all the service terms. And here we will choose our country as India. And now we will click on agree and continue. So now it will create a new project in the Google Cloud Console. Alright, so now it says the API is enabled. We need to go back to the guide from RankMath and here we need to create a new service account. So we open that link in a new tab and it will take us back to the Google Cloud Platform where we will create a new service account. Now when you are in this service account section, you need to select the new project that we have just created. So we will select this one. And now on the top, we will click on this create service account for this project and we will name this service account as Instant Index Google. So here is the service ID and let's give it a description. Alright, so we go ahead and click on continue. So now we need to assign a role to this service account. Make sure the role is always set to the owner so that it can have all the privileges it requires to get access to the WordPress and access to our Google Search Console. After that, we will click on continue and it will start doing some processing in the back end. So now our service account is created for our project and here we need to generate key for this service account. So we need to click on these three dots and we will select manage keys and here we will select add key and then we will select create new key. And make sure you select JSON here because here we will be adding key as JSON key in the WordPress backend. So once the JSON key type is selected, we will click on create. And now you can see that the key is downloaded in form of a JSON file. So we close this one. Now in the next step, we need to log in our Google Search Console where we have already added our WordPress website. And here we need to go to settings, and under the user and permissions, we need to add a new user. And here we need to enter the email address. So we will enter the email address of this service account that we have just created. So here is the email ID. You can copy all that and then paste it here, and you give permission as full so that it will act as a owner of this website, so it can manage all the things in the Google Search Console. So we click on add, and now we have added this service account that we have created here in Google Cloud Platform, and that is now added as a new user to get all the details for this website in Google Search Console. So now the technical part is done. All we need to do is just paste the JSON key here. So we open this JSON file, we copy all of its content, and then we will paste it here, and then we will click on save changes. And now we go to console here, and in the console we see instant indexing box here where we can just type in all the URLs that we want to get indexed on Google. Or we can go ahead and remove the URLs which we no longer want to be listed in Google search results. Or we can also check the status of the URL that we enter here, whether it is indexed in Google Search Console or not. So let's say I want to index this URL. So I will select publish or update from here, and then I will click on send to API. And now you see that our URL has been sent for indexing. So this is how we can use Rank Math SEO plugin with their instant indexing add-on, and we can get our WordPress website indexed in Google Search Console instantly. I know it might look like a very technical steps or very technical job for most of the non-technical WordPress users. Just try to follow each and every step carefully, and I'm sure you will be able to configure your WordPress website with this Rank Math instant indexing add-on. So if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos related to Rank Math, make sure you check our playlist here in the I button above, and I'll leave a link in the description as well. And if you want to learn more about WordPress in general, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.